of the most dominant competitors in NXT history. Tick-tock, Doomsday has arrived.
The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match.
Just a prelude to the unrelenting attack we are about to see from Karrion Kross.
And his opponent from Denton, Texas, weighing in at 285 pounds, TX Tornado.
You can see exactly why the arena is full here tonight. This is a match with major stakes.
He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE.
Ironman match underway. Whichever superstar has the most falls at the end of the time limit is the victor.
Your enemy comes in two forms tonight, your opponent and the clock.
Loving blows. Draped across the top rope. Clubbing forearm.
And now the most dangerous area inside the cell.
Oh boy, come on, not the chair.
He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
Oh, right to the throat. Oof.
And he goes for the pin.
1, 2. And they kick out at 2. They got close there. It could be do or die time.
Oh man, taking it to the trachea.
Control.
What a suplex.
He is a sight to behold. Take a picture while you can, everyone. Now look at his aggression, just pure brutality.
Come on, easy.
And he goes into the ring.
Oh, check out this power. This is ridiculous.
Power slam.
Hell in a Cell is such a demonic structure that exists solely for pain and suffering. Corey, I have to know, is there any use in coming up with a game plan for this match, or do you have to play it all by ear?
No, absolutely play it by ear, Cole. You know how they say that everyone's got a plan until they get hit in the mouth? Well, everyone's got a plan until they enter Hell in a Cell. Yes, he didn't come here to watch them both in time.
lifting it up into the ring.
Bam! Suplex. Makes the cover.
1, 2.
Oh, he kicked out. Wow. Uh-oh, he's got him up. Press slam.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
On the claw. There's the claw. This could be it.
Oh, is he going to tap out? He may.
He is barely hanging on.
He needs to find an escape route.
Nice.
He went right into that turnbuckle. Good night.
Kross out of harm's way.
Clothesline. So effective.
Got the full Nelson.
He's going for a pin. This could be it.
1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty.
Suplex.
Moved at the right time. Finds the advantage after a string of counters. Body tapped in the midsection.
And he had Karrion's number there.
Oh, check out this power. This is ridiculous. Power slam. What's he going to do to Kross?
Nice right hand.
Will that stop Kross? Shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. What a clothesline! Ouch! Kross gets out of the way. With the Doomsday Saito. Shoulders down. 1, 2.
He kicks out at 2.
He just won't give up.
Whatever's playing here can't be good.
Oh, my God. Oh!
Uppercut. Sure.
Boom!
Kross has earned the upper hand here.
And when Kross is going like this, you know you're in immediate danger.
And he denies Kross.
Ooh, man! Oh! Reversal! What a counter! Oh, chin-breaking uppercut!
He is just reeling from that offense.
And this is where Hell in a Cell earns its name, people. The damage is just piling up as we head into deep waters.
Oh,
Oh, jarring uppercut. Ooh. Oh, what an uppercut. Jarring. Boom.
He turns it around.
Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, a timely counter by Kross.
Behind it.
Fighting back with a counter.
And he puts through the cell. Guys, this is absolutely unbelievable.
Jeez, I didn't even know that was possible.
I have to imagine that was even more painful than it looked.
I must say, he's got impressive climbing skills.
You're the best, Byron.
If you're looking for danger, you have come to the right place.
Amen.
I wasn't looking.
He has summited the cell.
This could be big. Here we go. You ready for it?
We knew this was going to be a vicious match, but these superstars are taking it above anyone's expectations.
Proving hell doesn't need to stay in the confines of the cell. Hell can go anywhere. Northern Lights!
Oh, no, my God, stop this. Don't do it from up there. This is too much. Powerbomb! I don't know if he even realizes what just happened.
I'm not so sure he knows what year it is.
Do you hear the WWE Universe?
They are ravenous for these gladiators who are putting life and limb on the line right now.
Another big move.
To the back of the neck, what a blow.
Good night.
And he had Karrion's number.
Pile driver on its way.
Sit down, pile driver.
Amazing, Kevin. Cue that up again.
That'll break his arm. Vicious. He could be looking for a submission here.
Look at the torque. There's no escape from the camel clutch. Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to... He's given up, but you can tell his opposition doesn't care one bit.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now. Pile driver on its way. Oh, spiked him. Can he shut the door on this one? Huge toss.
This whole arena is standing, watching these maniacs battle it out 25 feet above the ground. No surprise that what we're witnessing is trending.
Forget trending on social media. The motion in the arena is trending on the Richter scale.
Oh, the reversal by Kross.
And Kross is finally changing the tempo with that attack.
Good chance for Kross to gain his wits about him.
We've seen some battles up in the cell, and nothing good ever comes of it.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
He is in deep trouble. Could be down a fall if he can't hang on.
Yeah, I don't see him getting out.
He let it go.
Yeah, I wonder why. Good grief! That's a chop that'll wake you up. And with every step up there, the amount of fear on these superstars increases.
The top of the cell is like walking through a minefield.
Uh-oh, he's got him up. Body press.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
This is beyond dangerous. This is more than reckless. No one should be up there, let alone performing these maneuvers.
Oh, tossed aside. No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Where do these superstars get the idea to do this?
I don't know, but if this is something they dreamt up, I wouldn't want to know what their nightmares look like.
And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission maneuver coming.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
And there's the tap. And come on now, the ref has got to get in there and force a break.
That'll fillet your chest.
Somebody do something.
He's about to do it. He's about to do it again. To the back of the neck. What a blow. Good night.
The WWE Universe willing these superstars on.
Pumping the adrenaline they so desperately need right now.
One after another.
Warm up the engine on the ambulance. I got a very... The end is near, looking to finish this up.
Oh! And look at the cross jacket submission is in. Will they...
And look at him tapping. He's had enough, but it doesn't even matter in this scenario.
Oh, look at a torture their opponent. Oh, this isn't going to be good. Oh, man. Oh, mounting it down. Just hammering away with the rights.
Elbows right to the forehead.
One after another. We've seen some battles up on the cell, and nothing good ever comes of it.
Ooh, just relentless.
Everyone in this building is just waiting on bated breath.
We've all seen life-altering moments come from the top of that cell.
Oh, it is aggression, just pure brutality.
Not easy.
He's doing a whole lot of gesturing, and it could cost him. We knew this was going to be a vicious match, but these superstars are taking it above anyone's expectations.
Proving hell doesn't need to stay in the confines of the cell. Hell can go anywhere.
Timely counter by Kross. Look at this. Boom. Nice.
Hell is a mountain, gentlemen, and these poor souls are duking it out at the summit.
Ooh, pinpoint.
The target's been acquired once more.
To the back of the neck. What a blow. Good. Oh, no. Not possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage. Oh, and there's the tap out. He just couldn't hold out any longer. No choice but to sacrifice the fall. Look at him. Pride and poise personified. And now he's looking to lock in this submission.
Targeting the shoulder with the claw.
Oh, is he going to tap out? Could earn a folding.
Tap all you want, but in this case, a surrender does not grant you a reprieve.
That catches Kross looking. Uh-oh, he's got him up. What a press slam. This whole arena is standing watching these maniacs battle it out.
Pile driver on its way.
Spiked. Sit out pile driver.
Yet another big move, guys.
Flamed across the way.
Where do these superstars get the idea to do this?
I don't know, but if this is something they dreamt up, I wouldn't want to know what their nightmares look like.
Elbow drop right on point.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Every fall on top of the cell is like putting your flesh through a meat grinder. Right across the larynx. Powerful suplex toss.
He has a task at hand, but prefers to be showboating right now.
is more than reckless. No one should be up there, let alone performing these maneuvers.
Oh, look at mounting, and now the
Punches hammering away.
ruthless.
One after another.
Why in the world are they doing this? They escaped the dangers of the cell just to fight up to the top where every step could be harassed.
Makes him pay with a counter.
What a press slam.
And with every step up there, the amount of feet.
Pile driver on its way.
Sit down, pile driver.
Unloading their best shot once more.
Elbow drop right on point. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now. Trampling the opposition.
We knew what we were in for with this matchup, but we didn't think the hell was going to be let loose on both this now. Oh, the reversal by Kross.
Listen to this place. This could be the end.
Kross jackets in, and it's in tight.
Uh-oh, yes, there it is. He taps out. That's going to add to the scoreboard.
Look at this. Snap suplex.
You could hear the chain link fence buckling with every impact. With the doomsday Saito.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
He is in deep.
And the anguish on his face continues. Tapping out isn't going to save him here.
Are these superstars even aware of the peril they're in?
I think they have blinders on, Saxton. I don't think they're completely aware of this.
And this is where this man becomes so dangerous. For the love of mankind, he fell right out of the sky. Here he goes for the win. With that, he picks up a late fall.
Oh, man.
God. And Karrion Kross grabs control late in this fight.
Just unwavering offense. Kross never letting up. He was elusive there. Power slam. Good night. Oh! Right to the back. He wants it one more time. That'll turn your lights out. That's lights out.
That's it. But this win comes with a price.
Here is your winner, TX Tornado.
They're happy now, but I think they need to get evaluated.
Yeah, they were looking rough at the end of that, Corey.
Practically an inhuman effort in terms of resilience on display throughout this match. You really have to hand it to them. They earned this victory.